Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily activate Gmail in Squarespace DNS for Google Workspace. So all you have to do is just go to admin.google.com and just sign in with your Google Workspace admin account. And next, in the admin console, go to Apps, then Google Workspace, then Gmail, then Setup. And from there, just copy the MX records provided by Google, which usually looks like the following. Then, next is just visit squarespace.com and navigate to your website dashboard. Then open DNS settings by clicking Settings, then Domains, and just select your domain and click DNS settings. Just click on Add Record to add each MX record, then choose type MX, then fill in the priority and mail server from DNS settings. Then next is you have to delete existing MX records. Just look for any default Squarespace MX records, then just click on the trash or bin icon to remove them. Then, once done, just click on Save after adding all records, and DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!